Okay, so currently we have like a lot of coastal hazards that are affecting Tanzania. And quite recently, we have had tropical cyclones that have been hitting Tanzania. And just in 4 years, we have had like three tropical cyclones. That is something that was never recorded, at least in the past 50 years. And the most recent one, which happened in 2024, was very devastating as it caused a lot of destruction of infrastructures in Mafia Island. And we have several other hazards, including the sea level rise that is very evident in islands like Zanzibar and Pemba. And also we have floodings that have been happening mainly in the major city of Dar es Salaam. And we also have recently, like in the past year, we have had massive coral bleaching in Mafia Island and Zanzibar, which are the places where we have the big fringing reefs. So those are like very devastating for us. So in most cases, those are the challenges that we have with the coastal hazards. Yeah, I think that is a very hard thing because I had like several words, like maybe five, but I will mention three. So the first thing that cost predict and global cost network would do for us, that is capacity building. That is the first thing. We need the capacity to be able to do to observe our oceans, our coasts. And the second thing is innovation. We need the innovative solutions. We need like the cost-effective sensors that we can use for our costs. And another thing that could be a bit more generalizing, that would be cost monitoring. So with cost to predict and global cost, they could provide us with means to observe our costs, which is something that we are really in need of, especially in this time of climate change. This meeting is very important. First of all, this is a place and an opportunity for us to learn of the innovative solutions and technologies that are currently being developed and to see how we can implement these in our areas. And another thing, it is a place to build strong collaborations. So through this meeting, just myself, I have attended two of these meetings, and through this, I have been able to develop a project that is now currently implemented in Tanzania on fish observing network. So this is a very important thing for us. And also another thing, this is important knowledge exchange platform. So it is where we can actually see what other places are doing in terms of coastal resilience and what we can replicate in our areas. There are several transformative solutions and technologies that I am more excited about, especially after attending these events. First of all, I am more excited about the low cost sensors, the cost effective sensors. These are like things that would be very beneficial for us, especially because we can at least afford them to observe our because the technologies are quite expensive. So for countries like us, it is very hard to afford. So this is one of the area that would be like really important for us. And another technology or solution that would be really important for us, it is the cloud infrastructure. We really need to be able to share our data to the world and between ourselves, and also to be able to access some kind of data. So cloud infrastructure is very important for us. And also what is important is high resolution remote sensing data. That is something that we could really use, especially in our costs, because like if we cannot really do a lot of in situ data, then we can compensate it a little bit with the remote sensing. And another important thing is the citizen science involving the locals, involving other stakeholders in data collection and other science-based stuff. So that is really important. My area, I am firstly a biological oceanographer, but I also go further into observational oceanography. So I'm currently working on citizen science approaches for global coastal monitoring. So I am very interested and working on the low cost sensors to observe the coasts and also the application of remote sensing data in coastal observing and all other things related to the oceans.